My name is Luka, I come from Elaphe Propulsion Technologies. So we are the leading company in the world developing the next generation of electric propulsion systems for electric vehicles. What we do is actually put the whole propulsion system of a car, the whole powertrain, completely inside the wheels. So there is no motor, no transmission or gearbox and anything. And we also happen to hold some records for the highest performance vehicles with our technology on the market. So it's very exciting to be in this area. So as our company grows, basically our DNA in developing our products and our features, services, has always been digital in its way, because our technology came a long way through the development of digital technologies. And a lot of our work is based on simulation. And this is where we conducted our experiment to find ways to, let's say, couple multi-physics simulations. So electromagnetic control, structural and acoustics into a new methodology, how to evaluate this very quickly with the least amount of resources, parameterized and deployed on a high-performance computing cloud. So with this we kind of made a very big improvement in the state of the art in our industry. Well, obviously we had to first start with putting together the smartest people in our company to find how we can achieve our goal. It's always been our goal to do this. So we don't do things that don't have sense for our company just because they are publicly funded. But it helps a lot if they are funded, because that way we can actually have the smartest people do the work itself, because otherwise they're focused on other projects that we need on the market. And after that, there was a big phase of innovation, trying to figure out what works and what doesn't. Working with the external partners in this process also helped us to understand how to do it. And with that in mind, putting instructions, clear guidelines and smart people together, you have something that works. And we've proven this and are now using it every day in our processes. In this respect, we created the methodology, which means that it's applicable on a wide range of areas concerning the development of anything that has a combination of electromagnetic, acoustic and structural. The parameters might change. So to the end users, this can be a new way of doing things, and the impacts are actually very big. So you are faster time to market, which is of course increasing competitiveness. And the most important thing is that the cycles are shorter and they're a lot cheaper. Before you had to do separate processes and then combine them and then do a prototype and measure and feedback. And now you can actually do everything with digital twins, in digital form, and with automation algorithms find the best solution that's also manufacturable, and you can go directly to the prototype production, which is as close to perfect as possible. Exactly, it wasn't a significant change to the production process, but it was definitely a significant change to the pre-production process. So instead of developing something for a long time and doing a lot of trial and error, now you can actually find the best viable solution in a matter of days instead of months. And this is a big impact for us. Obviously, these smart people that you need to put to work, to think on a project, their time is very valuable. And if we have managed to shorten their need of their time to only 20% of what was needed before. So this is a very, very big impact on our company. Well, we were kind of introduced to this through the Fortissimo and Fortissimo 2 initiatives. And let's just say that everything was pretty much perfect, because we were already thinking into doing this. Obviously, we use high-performance computing also in our company, not just on the cloud. And by finding the ways of how to do this through the help of external partners, I think this is a very good match. And as I mentioned before, the support from the ecosystem and also the funding that comes with it is a very big importance for us as an SME. So it's a very, very big benefit and a positive experience. We do things the way that would make sense for us. And if by receiving an award such as this Disruptors award, it would mean to us that it's a confirmation for all the hard work that we're doing and that we're doing it in the right direction, but also that the way we are doing things can be an example for other small companies. So we expect a big impact from, let's say, the spreading of this news through digital channels, focusing it on the market.